Okay, folks, let's talk fashion, or should I say, fashionably frugal. You don't need a celebrity bank account to look like $1,000,000. Believe me, I've seen some questionable outfits on the red carpet, and those people spend a fortune. The first rule of style? Shop your closet! Yeah, you heard me right. That dusty corner where you've been hiding clothes you haven't worn since… Well, let's not dwell on the past. The point is, you'd be surprised what treasures you can unearth. Remember that shirt you bought on a whim and never wore? It's had time to reflect on its life choices and is ready for a comeback. Those pants you think are so last year? Honey, fashion is a cycle and they're probably back in style again. So go on, channel your inner stylist, dig deep people, and let's see what we're working with. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more style hacks. Now, here's where the real fun begins, mixing and matching. This is where you get to play fashion alchemist and turn those forgotten pieces into pure gold. Don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, in the world of fashion, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Got a striped shirt collecting dust? Pair it with a bright skirt and some funky shoes. Boom! You've got yourself a playful Parisian chic look. That old band tee from high school? Throw it on with a blazer and some jeans, and suddenly you're a rock star architect. The possibilities are endless, people. And the best part, you're not spending a dime. You're just rediscovering the magic that was already hiding in your closet. All right, so maybe some of those treasures in your closet need a little TLC, a loose button here, a fallen hem there. Don't worry, we're not throwing in the towel just yet. This is where your inner DIY diva comes in. Grab that needle and thread, or if you're feeling really ambitious, dust off that sewing machine. A few simple stitches can work wonders. Hem those pants that are a little too long, take in that shirt that's feeling a bit baggy. And hey, if you're feeling really creative, why not try adding your own personal touch? Sew on some funky buttons, add a splash of embroidery, or even try your hand at tie-dye. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Section 4, Internet Inspo. Thank you, Next Outfit. Feeling stuck? We've all been there. Sometimes you just need a little inspiration. Well, guess what? You're holding a magic wand in your hand. Okay, fine, it's a phone, but still, the internet is a treasure trove of fashion inspiration, and it's all just a click away. Scroll through Pinterest, browse Instagram, or even check out some online fashion magazines. You know, the ones that tell you to wear a paper bag and call it high fashion. You'll find tons of ideas for how to style those pieces you already own, and the best part? You can tailor your search to your own personal style. Whether you're going for classic chic, edgy streetwear, or anything in between, the internet has got you covered. Section 5. Confidence is key. Own your look. Here's the thing about fashion, folks. It's not just about the clothes you wear, it's about how you wear them. The most important accessory you can have is confidence. Own your look, whatever it may be. Walk with your head held high, flash that $1,000,000 smile, even if you found your outfit in a bargain bin, and rock those clothes like you're walking the runway. Because you are. The runway of life, that is. Remember, true style comes from within. It's about expressing your individuality and feeling good in your own skin. So go out there and shine! Section 6. Rock what you got, you do you. At the end of the day, fashion is all about having fun and expressing yourself. There are no hard and fast rules. If you like it, wear it. Don't worry about what other people think. So go ahead, rock that vintage dress with the funky pattern. Pair those ripped jeans with that sequin top. Let your freak flag fly. Life's too short to dress boring. Remember, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Because when you feel good, you look good. And when you look good, you can conquer the world, or at least rock that grocery store run. Section 7, Final Thoughts. Dress to impress yourself. So there you have it, folks, my guide to dressing better without spending a dime. Remember, style is all about creativity, confidence, and a little bit of DIY magic. Now go forth and slay. Or at least look fabulous while doing laundry. And remember, the most important person to impress is yourself. So put on something that makes you feel good and go out there and rock it.